Okay, so this is our little design dilemma. We are going to focus on the chapter about plant selection today. We're looking at these three big pots. This is Alex, this is her garden, and these are the trees at the end of the day and the end of the process of plant selection. Alex and I have been through lots of discussion and decided we wanted a very tall canopy and plants that did all of these things. So we're in a real nursery looking for trees, and we have to consider all the stuff we talked about. The light shade, like Japanese maple would do it, but I have reasons I'm not into the Japanese maple for these pots. So we're gonna walk around and look through some of these options. This is a tree that I really love, and it could work. It's autumn flowering cherry, but it has cherry blossoms in the spring and then again in the autumn. My problem with it is it's just not pretty in the summertime. So Cyananthus or Granddaddy Graybeard, this is a Chinese species which is spectacular, but the selection is called Tokyo Tower. And the problem with Tokyo Tower is that it has to have a lot of cold to flower. So even though those trees look awesome and they would look great with their labels on them at the retail nursery, it's just a matter of understanding the details of plant cultural needs. So we went with what's going to be a controversial choice, but look at that mimosa. It's spectacular, fragrant, the form that we wanted. And this is a plant that reminds Southerners of their childhood. We went with the purple leaf variety. You like them?
I love them. You know, I think it was really important to find plants that thrive in our climate, but also were aesthetically in line with our vision for the garden. We wanted something that was very tropical and provided great coverage and a little bit of drama to these statement pots. And I've always loved the mimosa tree. I know that they can be a little controversial with their invasive nature, but we felt that the pots really provided a nice balance.
And these will also give us a canopy that I think is necessary for this. This space is super hot, and this was one of the original problems here with these pots, is it was hard to keep anything alive. All right, thanks, Alex. Oh, and look, here's the real